Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in the video on how I did this beautiful lace frontal install with me, then go ahead and carry on watching this video. But before we get to this video, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you'll never miss another upload. And yeah, so let's carry on to the tea, sis. So y'all, I ended up putting way too much glue on the freaking on the wig cap. So as I was like, I didn't realize it until like I got into the part where I was just blow drying and stuff, trying to make the glue blow dry on there. But y'all really don't need not even the amount of glue I need on there. You probably just need a few drops. Make sure the when you apply glue to your cap or whatever, it's a very thin layer, like a real thin layer to your cap. And make sure it's like right before your edges. I feel like it could be on your edges too as well. If you don't pull your wig cap off, or your if you don't pull your wig off when you are removing your edges, when you're removing your wig, sis, like I feel like if you put alcohol on the front part of the frontal, or where you put the glue at and stuff, because that's how I've been taking out my wigs, and it's actually been working, and it's been saving my edges. So I'll just put alcohol on the front of my hair, and I'm probably gonna do a video on when I'm removing this wig or whatever. But I feel like I'm gonna have to remove this wig and reapply it anyways, because the edges didn't come out like how I wanted to, and all this other stuff is really because like I still had like a lot of lace left in the front of my hair from the wig. But that's all I had to say about that. And yeah, so I tried blow drying it. It didn't really go well. As you can see, like parts of it was dry, some of it was still wet, and I did not like that, and it just irritated me. So I ended up taking the whole entire cap off, y'all. Yes, I ended up taking the whole cap off, and this is me demonstrating what I do in the back of the cap. I pretty much, make it to a little knot and tuck it underneath there, so that way I put my wig, adjustable scraps underneath there, if that makes sense. I feel like that makes sense if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I ended up taking that off and applying another cap on there with with the Eben spray. So I try to go in with my foundation this time, y'all, and I barely even got foundation, y'all. So I try to make as much that was left of that bottle stretch, and that's pretty much what that was. But yeah.
What I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry.
Alright, y'all, so I'm finna try to put this glue on the front. Last time I did an install, I did it with the Eben spray or whatever. So I guess I put too much glue the first time, so I ended up taking that other wig cap off and applying a new wig cap. But I just sprayed it with this because it lays. I like the way it lays. It lays easier, and I don't like how the be laying. But we finna attempt it again with this freaking glue. Hopefully it goes well. I already got my stuff ready and prepped. I pushed back all the edges and everything, so that's dead. And we're finna go ahead and glue this down harder and get it shaking and baking. I know I be rich, but I die. They won't respect you till you try. Already paid the pole. Niggas too scared to
get more, tryna get more. Hey, 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 hey. It's on the head to toe. I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go. Hey, 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 hey.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never flown it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. When she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the best I ever had.
Okay, y'all, so this is the part where I was talking about where I felt like I should have just pulled my wig down a lot more than what I did, because it left like a lot of like it left a lot of space in the front. It kind of looked like I was kind of like it looked like I had bald spots, and I didn't like that. So I'm gonna do pretty much a reinstall on that part, but you have to cut off, you know, all the extra stuff that I don't need. But yeah.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch, named all the coders. I just told her make a store now. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my nips. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I ain't even trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Yeah. Let's talk, I just pulled up with some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you Merkle, I show you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slats and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Got a bitch Scotty, I got in my way, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood, now crack out the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street, need. Only one she got hit at the spinning knee. I feel a little rich this week, to influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me, I need she needs just a Glocky keep. Do rolling 60, locked in seats. Me rolling that coupe with a bucket seat. Got it up mud like a football clique. I use a drop out of that photo G. Call her the plug and he know what I need. Stay underneath so we hardly speak. Yeah, coming in your cash money. Yeah, ain't the same man but I'm stunning. Yeah, one of these guys wanna love me. Yeah, that wife didn't know love me loving.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Bitch got an X stain on her jeans. I know she fucking with that.
I fuck with slats and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that ooh. If you love me, nothing make you mad. Not only you give me
Okay guys, so I'm sitting here doing my edges or whatever. For some reason, oh, don't mind my niece in the background, but for some reason, like, so I tried to like hide the bald spots by putting edges in the front or whatever to make it not look too bald. Like, I don't know. So I was trying to make it look natural, girl. So I'm in here, you can see me, girl, sitting here struggling, trying to swoop them edges, girl. It's like every time I do a little swoop, one little part would mess up and then the whole, yeah. So I ended up having to like really do my edges looking in the mirror. I couldn't, okay, so when I'm filming like this, I'm really just filming and looking at everything in my phone. Like, I have no mirror behind me or anything. The mirror is on the right side of me, I believe. Yeah, it's on my, well, it's really on my left side, but for y'all it's on my right. So yes, and it was really hard for me to like try to like swoop my edges on camera for some reason. So I ended up having to, you know, look in the mirror and get it all swoop, honey, because I was not finna go out looking all crazy. But one thing I did not like, I didn't like how big my edges were and stuff like that. It still looked natural to me, but I feel like it was just something going on that I just did not like. So yeah, and when I'm gonna give it a few moments for it to pop up. So when this arrow pop up, all that extra lace right there, I ended up cutting it off because it was just pretty much in the way. And yeah, so I ended up cutting all the extra lace off, made sure the edges was done correctly. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all continue watching this video. guys for taking your time out for watching this beautiful tutorial with me. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below on how you think I did in this video or any tips or tricks when it comes to this look. Yes, and until next time, guys, stay blessed. Peace.